Question 2 is show that the curvature and the torsion of the curve r bar is equal to a cos ti plus a sin tj plus atk are equal. Okay, so our aim is to prove the curvature and the torsion both are coming same for this curve, and I will tell you what is that curve. Actually, this curve is one of the standard curve in a 3D, and the name of this curve is, yes, what is the name? The name of the curve is a spiral here. Okay, so let me start. If you see the question is curvature k is equal to, yes, tell me the formula.
V cross A magnitude by V vector
V
cube.
cross A, magnitude of V cross A upon magnitude of V cube, correct. And what about a torsion? Tau.
V cross A
dot
whole A
dash
derivative of A by V cross A whole square.
Oh,
magnitude
of V cross A, it's a square, correct. So first we'll write a formulas so that we'll come to know which things we have to calculate it. So we require velocity vector, we require acceleration vector, then we require V cross A vector, and we require two of them, their magnitudes. Let me do it one by one. Therefore, now V bar equal to, obviously that's a rate of change of displacement vector dr bar by dt. So it comes a minus a sin t I cap plus a cos t j cap plus a k cap. So this is the velocity vector. Acceleration vector now. It's a dv bar by dt, and it comes minus a cos t I cap minus a sin t j cap. That's one. K component will go to the 0 with the differentiation. Now we have V bar and A bar vectors. We require V cross A also. We require magnitude of V also. That will do it one by one. Therefore, V cross A, sorry, first we want just V cross A. V cross A is equal to, is the determinant, the first row I, J, K. And now the component of velocity vector minus A sin t, A cos t, and A. This is minus A cos t minus A sin t, and that's a 0. That's a component of A bar. Now let me expand this determinant. Yes, anyone tell me? I cap into
minus A square sin t.
Not
A
correct.
square,
Not this is a 0
A
plus
square sin
plus
t.
A square
plus
sin t.
A square sin t
Minus J cap A square cos t
A square cos t.
and plus K cap
A square sin square t.
A square
only A square. Okay, that is sin square t plus cos square t becomes 1. So that about V cross A vector. Now let me write the important magnitudes that we require. Magnitude of V we require and magnitude of V cross A we require. Okay. So one more vector we require, that A dash. We'll do it later on. Okay, because right now let me focus only on the curvature. So for getting a curvature we require magnitude of V cross A and magnitude of V. So I will say therefore magnitude of V cross A, let me calculate that first. So if you see the magnitude of V cross A, it is a square root of A4 sin square t plus A4 cos square t plus A4. So what will be the answer?
root 2 A to the power
square
2.
root 2.
So first of all, this is A raised to 4 sin square t plus cos square t become only A raised to 4, and again that A raised to 4. So we get 2a raised to 4. So root 2
A square.
a square. Root 2 a square is the magnitude of v cross a. Okay. Any doubt here to get magnitude of v cross a? Do it on the paper. You will get that answer. Yes, 187. Any problem? No. Also, we require magnitude of v. So magnitude of v we will calculate with this formula. Oh, this is a square sine square t plus a square cos square t plus a square. So it is similar to that only. We'll get as a root 2a. Is it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Root 2a. So we got magnitude of v cross a. We got magnitude of v. Therefore, I will write the next step some or this side. Therefore, curvature k is equal to, by this formula, we are using this formula. So let me replace magnitude of v cross a as a root 2a square upon magnitude v cube. So root 2a bracket cube. And you'll observe that root 2, one of the root 2 gets cancelled and we get 1 upon 2a as answer. Is that?
Yes, sir.
So curvature, yes. So this topic is just a formula based. Most important thing, you should be able to recall the formula. Once you know the formula, just do a calculation and substitute that values there. You get the required values there. So what will be the radius of curvature here?
2a.
2a, correct. So because radius of curvature is a reciprocal of curvature only. So 2a will be the radius of curvature. But the question is here, show that curvature and torsion both are same. Now our aim is to say show here that torsion tau is also 1 upon 2a. 1 upon 2a. Once you complete this first part, curvature, tell me so that I can move to the torsion. Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now tell me what should be the thing that we left to get the torsion? One more quantity we are not calculated and that we require there.
A dash. A dash.
A dash. Okay. So the next step we should proceed here for that a dash there. So let I erase some of the part here. Curvature we already finished as 1 by 2a. Now we can say no, a dash is equal to, which is a dA bar by dt. We'll observe the derivative of cos is again coming minus, so that a sin t I cap minus a cos t j cap. This is a bar dash. Therefore tau equal to, now we will use this formula. So v cross a vector. Oh, I erased that. Okay. So can anyone tell me what is v cross a vector? V cross a is equal to, yes, what will come?
I cap a square sine t.
I cap into
A square sine t
okay, a square sine t I cap
minus a square cos t j cap
okay,
plus a square k cap.
correct, good, okay. So this one is the v cross a vector. We want to take dot product of this v cross a with a bar dash. So you'll observe dot product is like a1 b1 plus a2 b2 plus a3 b3. So let me take a1 b1. So a square into a, that become a cube sine square t. This minus minus plus a cube cos square t, and a3 b3, here is a square, a3 is a square, but here is a 0, so that's a 0 there.
0.
Okay, divided by magnitude of v cross a, it's a square, so root 2 a square bracket square. And you'll observe again that a cube will come common, and sine square plus cos square is 1, and we get here 2a raised to 4, and we get the required answer as 1 upon 2a, and that's the end of the question here. So we got here 1 upon 2a as the answer there. Any doubt here? Is there any doubt? No. So thus we've completed here, or thus we've shown that the curvature and torsions are equal for the spiral curve. Okay, the spiral is only the curve on which the curvature and the torsions are equal. This curve is just like a spring. Okay, it's just like a spring, or so completed.
Yes.
So one last question on this topic. So here is one more question, that find the curvature of a parabola x is equal to 2t, y is equal to t square at t is equal to 1. At t is equal to 1. Why the question is not for the torsion? Yes, anyone?
So it will be 0 2D curve.
Yes, very good, very good.
That's
So
zero.
yes, that's the correct answer. As the curve is in two-dimensional, the torsion is a 0. So never the question will be asked for such a curve for a torsion. So the questions for circle, parabola, straight line, these will never come in the exam for a torsion. Okay, straight line is obviously not come for both torsion and curvature, because the curvature and torsion both are 0. Curvature and torsion both are 0 for the straight line. So that question will never come in the exam. It is one line there. Okay, but yes, as it is a parabola, only curvature exists here. So let me find the curvature of this parabola at t is equal to 1. Now this question can be done in two ways. One way, yes, we can find out a general curvature at any time t, and at the end we replace that t is equal to 1. Okay, so there are two ways. Choice is yours. You can do it any of the way. But remember, in this case, curvature depends on a point. The curvature is not a constant. The curvature depends on a point. So let me start with the formula. We know the curvature k. Curvature k is this is a v cross a,
Say V cube.
not
What?
a cap. What is the formula?
Sir,
V vector cross
V
V
cube.
A vector
magnitude of
Magnitude
equal,
of
and V magnitude.
Okay.
whole cube.
Yes. So let me find these vectors then. Therefore, v bar is dr bar by dt, but before we write v bar, we should start with r bar vector. R bar is not given. What is r bar?
2t I cap
plus
Yes,
T square
t
cap.
square j cap. So 2t I cap, because x I cap plus y j cap and plus z k cap, but z is not there, so 0 k cap there. So this is the equation of a parabola. The equation of parabola, and you will cross check also. You will observe here if you take x square, x square is a 2t square, so x square is equal to 2y. X square equal to 2y is the equation of that parabola. Okay, so that is a parabola in Cartesian form, but right now yes we have in vector form. The velocity vector v bar, which is a dr bar by dt, and that becomes a 2i cap plus 2t j cap. A bar,
2i
dv
cap.
bar by dt, so
2j
0,
cap.
2j cap only. Now v cross a, multiple ways to calculate v cross a, two ways there actually. Either you can take v cross a term by term there, that I cross j is k, j cross j is a 0, that way you can do it. Or you can do by definition of cross product, this I j k, and v bar vector have 2, 2t, 0, and here 0, 2, 0. Remember, at this step you can replace t equal to 1 also. You can replace t equal to 1 and you get directly that curvature at t equal to 1 only. But I'm doing here first general curvature and then we'll replace t by 1. At the end I'm going to replace it here. So if you observe that I cap into 0 minus j cap into 0, only k cap component will exist there, and that is what is that component? It is 4k cap, is that?
Yes, sir.
So v cross k is a 4k cap. So what is the magnitude of v cross a?
4.
Yes, magnitude of v cross a is a 4, correct. What is the magnitude of v?
4.
4 plus 4t square in this case. 4 plus 4t square, that is the magnitude of v at any time t. Thus, the final answer, thus curvature k is magnitude of v cross a, that is 4 upon I will say 4 plus 4t square raised to 3 by 2. So this one is our answer if we want the general curvature at any point t. But right now we are interested at the answer at t is equal to 1. So at t is equal to 1, at t is equal to 1, if you replace that, so you will observe it is 4 plus 4, that is 8. 8 raised to 3 by 2. So 8 can be written as 4 into 2. So square root of 4 is 2, that will get cancelled. And can we get that required answer? You will check. Sorry, there is cube also. So let I write it at other place. So at t is equal to 1, the curvature k will become 4 upon 8 raised to 3 by 2. Because 4 plus 4, 8 raised to 3 by 2. So you will observe first if you take a square root of the denominator, so that 4 is as it is. If you take this 2 root 2, 2 root 2 bracket cube, you get 2 root 2 bracket cube. That's a square root is taken, square root of 8. That is 2 root 2. Now 2 cube, you will observe that is a 4 upon 2 cube is 8. 2 cube is 8 and root 2 cube is 2 root 2. So into 2 root 2 there. So out of that 4 get cancelled and we get required answer k equal to 1 upon 4 root 2. K is 1 upon 4 root 2. Any doubt here?
No, sir.